Have you ever shared a PDF only to realize it contains blank pages, duplicate pages, or information you don't want others to see? Instead of recreating the entire document, there's a much easier solution. Introducing Softaken Delete PDF Pages online free. A fast, secure, and completely browser-based tool that helps you remove unwanted PDF pages in just a few clicks. The problem: large PDF files often contain pages that are no longer needed. These can include blank pages, duplicate pages, cover pages, draft pages, confidential or unnecessary information. Manually editing PDF files can be difficult. Many PDF editors require software installation, paid subscriptions, or complicated editing tools. This makes a simple task much more time-consuming than it should be. The solution: that's where Softaken Delete PDF Pages online free comes in. This easy-to-use online tool lets you remove unwanted pages directly from your PDF document without installing any software. Benefits of deleting PDF pages online: easy page preview, remove unwanted pages, safe and secure, fast processing, completely free, original quality preserved, works in any browser, no software installation, no sign-up required, compatible with all devices, simple and user-friendly, instant download after editing. How to use: import your PDF file. Select or drag your PDF into the workspace to begin editing your document. Step 2. Choose pages to remove. Review the page thumbnails and mark the pages you no longer want in the final PDF. Step 3. Save your updated PDF. Process the document and download a new PDF with only the pages you want to keep. If you're looking for a quick and reliable way to remove unwanted pages from any PDF, try Softaken Delete PDF Pages online free today. Clean your PDF files in seconds and keep only the pages you actually need. Thanks for watching.